Hey there! Today we're going to walk through how to build a service review screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If you're designing an e-commerce or marketplace app, this is one of the most important screens your users will interact with. Let's keep it simple and get started. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to check out any detail up close. Alright, let's talk about the service review screen. This is where users see star ratings, read reviews, and check out reviewer profiles. Some screens even include images or videos from other users. It's more than just a list of comments. It's what helps people trust your app and make confident decisions. So, how do you create a screen that's detailed but still clean and easy to use? The answer is the Ionic Design Kit. Designers can drag and drop elements like rating stars, comment cards, and profile avatars in seconds. Developers don't have to write complex code because everything comes ready-made from the Ionic framework. You can even add sorting and filtering for reviews without overcomplicating the interface. It's all organized, polished, and built to keep users engaged. Don't forget, you can head to our website and use these code snippets for yourself. Ready to level up your Ionic projects? Explore smooth design and fast development with the Ionic Design Kit. Build smarter, faster, better. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next video.